Hi to all, today I'm so excited to share my unboxing experience of the Chitrangana Rangoli on granite tiles. This stunning piece measuring 12 by 6 inches and is perfect for home decor, especially if you are looking to enhance your puja mandir or home entrance, door entrance. What makes this rangoli truly special are the traditional Vastu element it featured, including Gau Mata, Swastik, Om, Tulsi, Shankh. Each symbol holds significance, culture, meaning, and add a touch of spirituality to your space. Let's talk about practically this rangoli is ready to use and required low maintenance, making it an ideal choice for a busy household. You can easily clean it without worrying about wear and tear. Just a quick wipe down will keep it looking fresh. Now let's get to the price. At just 554 rupees you are investing in a beautiful piece that not only beautiful your home but also bring positivity energy according to Vastu principles. It's an affordable way to incorporate a traditional into modern living. So if you are considering adding a touch of elegance and spirituality to your home decor, I highly recommend it to Chitrangana Rangoli. It's not just a decorative item, it's a meaningful additions that resonate with culture and tradition. Don't miss out on this fantastic find. Grab your today and elevate your home decor games. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then also link is in description box, you can check it out. And I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Created content is not just a hobby for me, it's a passion. Knowing that you find value in what I share inspire me to keep pushing forward and improving. Every like and comment share motivates to me bring even better content your way. I strive to provide insight, entertainment, and a little bit of joy in your day. Your engagement helped me understand what resonates with you, so please keep the feedback coming. I want to create a community where we can learn and grow together. Remember, this journey is not as much your as it is mine. The connection we build through these videos invaluable, and I am excited about what's ahead. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and don't forget to hit that follow button if you have not already. Once again, thank you for being part of my journey. uh, let's keep exploring, learning, and having fun together.